Does he need a gun or something? Here, don't break it. No, yes, it's ready to fire. Yes, it's ready to fire. Well, yes. If you want. Carl's dead. She. No. Yeah, I turn on my scope cam.
Alright, Brazos. Ready?
Yeah, more or less. Yeah, dude. Just go. Go. Let's go. Go. Get down. Get down. Sorry, sorry.
Stand up with your dead rack up, okay?
If your head make it really obvious, because you're gonna get fucked if you're not. Check the back, yeah. Back. Hey, when we're done, check our back right.
Yeah.
Dylan, work on getting more guys up.
Yo, move!
I got him back in there. What? Yeah, there you go. Thank you.
Yo, get them up here now.
Guys, lay down, please.
Hey, yo. Guys, get up here now!
Plane up, Kafir!
Team, up here now! Hey,
Watch right.
Yo,
Finish. Phil, finish everybody.
is it empty?
I'm dead. I'm fucking dead.
Okay, cool. Well, not cool, but thank you for returning.
Okay, I'm gonna finish everybody off. You were right in the time.
When are you, hold on to my leg. I gotta keep a gun up.
Sorry about that, guys.
Yeah, all of you that got overshot, we are actually really sorry. We couldn't see red rags and it's all happening really quickly. We tried to shoot the ones behind without hurting you.
No, I fucking went straight for that kid. I didn't even see a rag. I just went straight into him.
Okay, thank you.
Good shit, dude.
Hey, dude, you want a Razor scooter?
Fuck yeah, dude. My mom gave me one of these when I didn't use my binky for 5 days.
Hang on. That was awesome, people.
Sal just walked in.
Squad wipe!
Nobody was looking at me.
That was literally a squad wipe.
Squad wipe?
Wipe.
They're bitching because I yelled to our team to move up.
What a pistol play, first of all.
No, yeah, dude. That,
Then we coming around
I think I only shot dead guys. None of them had their rags out. They just stuck in the hand.
Huh?
Guys, we still gotta get green trailer. Let's play. You're all good.
I've seen you fucking. Can I have your pistol reloaded again? No, only if I'm near you.
I got a couple of them on the side here, 2 or 3 of them as you guys are pushing up. Good shit. They're all right here.
Yeah. Dude, he led the charge. He gets the credit.
Boom, boom, boom.
Oh, that was awesome.